Plants name. Today we learn kids plants name. Aloe vera. Yes, it's aloe vera plant. Bamboo. Yes, bamboo like this. Mushroom. It's mushroom plant. Grass. Ivy. Ivy plant. It's shrub. Shrub plant. Wildflower. It's looking like this. Wildflower. Cactus. Oh, it's cactus. Rubber. Rubber plant. Corn. Corn plant look like this. Thank you for watching, kids. Please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.